How to download and install WeChat application on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download WeChat application on your PC or laptop. So it's an easy, simple process. So first, just head over to any of your Microsoft distro on your Windows 10 or 11 and simply search in for WeChat under the search bar, and here you should see the application is available for free. So you can basically tap on the application itself and simply click on install. So it's an application similar to WhatsApp where you can just chat and video call with the person, with a different person or your friends, and you can simply tap on this download and install. Based on your internet connection, it will automatically be installed on your device, and once it gets installed, you can simply come over to your start menu to simply search in for the application and run it just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.